What legal documents should seniors have in case they become incapacitated or they have any medical emergency?
Good question. This is actually foundational to helping seniors, helping your loved ones, that they have these legal documents in order. What are they? Well, an estate plan is either going to be a living trust, or it could be just a simple plan with a will to say what's going to happen with their estate. But more importantly, you want to have a financial power of attorney to be able to pay bills, as well as a healthcare power of attorney to be able to talk to the doctors and the doctors to talk to you. But when I just said that, there's actually one more thing that people never think of, and that is to have a HIPAA release.
I see.
So because of the whole a person needing privacy rights and all that, a healthcare power of attorney does allow a person to answer on their loved one's behalf. Mm-hmm. If the doctor says, what would you like, for your loved one? And they can answer. But without a HIPAA release, the doctor cannot release medical information to the family.
Okay.
And so you want to have both to have equal conversation going on. There's situations where even a wife has taken their husband who has dementia to a brand new doctor to check out a brand new type of possible medications. And because it's brand new, the doctor didn't know her.
Right.
And her husband went through all the testing, and the doctor says, okay, we've done all the testing. These are the two different options of care for your husband that I see, A or B. Which one would you like to go through? And the wife said, well, what was the result of the tests? And the doctor literally said, I cannot tell you.
Wow.
And how is she supposed to answer the question?
Right.
Now, she had never had this issue before because she was seeing all his regular doctors for years. And she never did get he never had a HIPAA release. So you want to make sure you have all documents in order. And then the other question of that was, you said, and medical emergencies. It's also important that if you're a senior, if you're older, let those who are your healthcare power of attorney to have copies of those documents, because these medical emergencies don't happen when we schedule them. They happen at the most inopportune time.
Right.
And so this is where family is often running to the ER. They're not going to the house to pick up the binder so that they can show that they have authority or whatever.
Right.
And so for whether it be the adult children or whoever has the authority to speak on your behalf, should you not be able to in a medical emergency, you want to have these copies readily available to you.
Right.
So again, it's for medical reasons, the healthcare power of attorney, the financial power of attorney, and then a trust should you need to access assets that are in the trust.
Check the full episode on our YouTube channel and on Apple Podcast.